welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I am Pamela, and for those who don't know me and are new to this channel, of course. So today I'm doing a vlog, as you can see by the title down below. I decided that I'll be doing a vlog today because I'll be doing a few things. I will be going to grocery shopping. Where? This hand. Where am I going?
Hi, I'm Pamela Mabuza. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Look at my eye bag slip. Yo.
Anyway, as I was saying, I'm going to the doctor as we speak right now, and I'm gonna do groceries, and I did my laundry. So I thought, like, let me just like vlog all of that because I haven't like vlogged anything that has to do with what I do. I just vlog like my outings, and I needed change. So I thought, like, since I'm doing this today, let me just vlog it. Okay, so yeah. So right now, as I said, we are going to the doctor because I'm not feeling well. She also has flu. Honey, tell my subscribers you got flu. She just smiles. I have sinuses, so I was just like, let's go to the doctor. And the thing is with her, she always wants to go to the doctor with me. Like, just go alone. Why can't you go alone? Anyway, I will just like keep you guys updated. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog going to the doctor, but like if I do, then we're good. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Tepi hates me. Yo. She was laughing at me because I said something wrong, absolutely wrong. Anyway, we just got back from the shopping center we were going to, and the doctors were not there at all. No doctor was there. Anyway, now we're just going to a different shopping center because that one is also full. We can't do groceries there, so I'll try to vlog that also. Yeah.
They are smaller packets. Hi. Like this one.
Maybe you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you.
Either parsley or Italian bread. Which one? This one or this one?
You give all day long. Your love.
Yeah, Robert and the Batman.
High five. Just high five. High five.
Why are we high fiving?
Just
What are we doing next week?
Tissue.
Turn me inside out.
Well, now why did you leave your phone? So like we're having joy. If you stay by what do you call it? Greenside, Auckland Park, whatever. But then Topo, Greenside are having jaws, half price, from Monday to Friday.
Every day, but at certain times.
Okay, I don't know, but like yeah, every day at certain times, as she said, Mrs. Know-it-all, right? So, so like it's jars half price. They are so nice. Bobby, say hi. This is Bobby, guys. You can follow on Instagram at Bobby. You get it.
Don't forget to like all my pictures.
You get it.
Comment. All is to get to 10,000.
And Teppy. Teppy, you can just follow her Teppy Mufukeng at _ because she's not serious about saying anything. Han says she doesn't eat pizza, but look at her now. She's eating pizza. She's like, this one is nice. Oh, pizzas are nice. Tippy, what do you mean?
No, this one is nice, genuinely.
It's just cheese. By the way, guys, I told her I don't like those glasses she's wearing. I don't know why she bought them. I didn't even see her buying them. If I saw her, I'd have taken them away because I don't like them.
They're giving that like nerdy vibe. I feel like I would look like a sexy nerd.